हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू एस क्लासेस। आज हम प्लस टू के लिए आगे सिलेबस कर रहे हैं। इसमें चैप्टर 6 एप्लीकेशन ऑफ डेरिवेटिव इज गोइंग ऑन दिस चैप्टर। टुडे लेक्चर नंबर 13 ऑन दिस चैप्टर। मैक्सिमा एंड मिनिमा कंसेप्ट इज गोइंग ऑन। इंक्रीजिंग डिक्रीजिंग एप्लीकेशन ऑफ डेरिवेटिव, ऑल थिंग्स डन। 6.1 6.2 डन। नाउ 6.3 क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 to 16 we have to do, up to 12 done. Okay, now this question 12, fx is equal to x plus sin 2x on 0 comma 2 pi closed interval. Find maximum and the minimum values. Okay, so now differentiate with respect to x of this. F dash x equal derivative of x 1 plus derivative of sin x cos x, and it is 2x chain rule, then 2 into cos 2x. Okay, 2 into cos 2x. Okay, now this say 0 for maxima minima. Okay, then this cos 2x from this cos 2x is equal to minus 1. 1 will go that side, 0 side, minus 1 and divide by 2. So negative in second quadrant. Okay beta, so 2x is in second quadrant, then this angle is 2x. तो 2x value is equal to, in second quadrant negative, cos, तो pi plus pi minus second quadrant, तो pi minus and half, value half in the cos. Which angle? Angle is 60 degree, pi by 3 is half. Then तो pi minus pi by 3, pi minus pi by 3 in second quadrant. So this implies x is equal to 3 pi minus 1 pi, 2 pi by 3, then 2 pi by 3 into 2, this 2 in divide, then 2 cancel, then it is pi by 3. So x is pi by 3. Okay, x is pi by 3. Now and other, between this interval we have to take one value more, we have to take. One is in this second quadrant and other, and negative value in third quadrant, cos negative. Third means pi plus pi by 3, pi plus pi by 3, and 4 pi by 3. This implies x is equal to 4 pi by 3. 4 pi by 3 into 2. Then it is 2 to the 4, then 2 pi by 3. Okay, so these two values of x. Okay, now second, because maxima minima we have to check. So second derivative, again differentiate of this. The derivative of 1 is 0, and cos x derivative minus sin x, so minus 2 to the 4 sin 2x Yes. Now at x is equal to pi by 3, at x is equal to pi by 3, double derivative value is minus 4 into sine of 2 into pi by 3 यानी 120 डिग्री यानी 2 into pi by 3. 2 pi by 3 means pi plus pi by 3. Pi minus pi minus pi by 3. Okay, it is in 120 degree means pi minus यानी 180 minus 60 degree. Okay, pi by 3. तो pi minus pi by 3 and sine in second quadrant positive and that value pi by 3. So then that value is sine pi minus pi by 3, then sine pi by 3, and then sine pi by 3 value we can put. Okay, then this value is minus 4 and sine 60 root 3 by 2. Okay, then it is less than 0. So this implies maxima. So x is equal to pi by 3 is point of negative maxima, second derivative negative तो मैक्सिमा. ठीक है बेटा, तो ये पॉइंट ऑफ मैक्सिमा निकल गया बेटा. अब सेकेंड पॉइंट चेक करो at 2 pi by 3. Now and double derivative at x is 2 pi by 3. Double derivative minus 4 and 2 pi by 3 x value. तो 4 pi by 3, 4 pi by 3 means 240 डिग्री. ओके, यानी 4 pi by 3. ओके, 2x is 4 pi by 3. Then 4 pi by 3 means pi plus pi by 3. Pi plus pi by 3. 4 pi by 3. तो pi plus pi by 3. तो then it is negative sine 4 pi by 3 2x value. Then it is minus 4 into माइनस थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट में माइनस रूट 3/2, then it is positive, it is greater than 0, positive. So this implies x is equal to 2 pi by 3 is point of minima, positive minima, second derivative positive, at which point? That point is point of minima. So maximum value so maximum of f of maximum value at pi by 3, x is pi by 3, f pi by 3, तो फंक्शन हमारा x मीन्स पाई बाई 3 प्लस साइन 2 इंटू पाई बाई 3, 2 पाई बाई 3 मीन्स पाई माइनस पाई बाई 3, ओके। तो पाई माइनस पाई बाई 3 इन सेकेंड क्वाड्रेंट पॉजिटिव, देन इट इज साइन पाई माइनस पाई बाई 3, देन साइन पाई बाई 3, then this pi by 3 plus sin pi by 3 root 3 by 2, answer. This is answer, maximum value. Minimum of function value at x is 2 pi by 3, x is 2 pi by 3, then x is 2 pi by 3 फंक्शन में पुट किया, x 2 pi by 3 and plus sine of 2 into 2 pi by 3, 4 pi by 3 means pi plus pi by 3, and pi plus pi by 3 it is in third quadrant, then negative, then minus sine pi by 3, okay। मतलब पाई प्लस पाई बाई 3, 4 पाई बाई 3 एंड साइन पाई प्लस थीटा माइनस साइन थीटा, तो माइनस साइन पाई बाई 3, देन दिस विल बी इक्वल टू 2 पाई बाई 3 माइनस रूट 3 बाई 2, this answer. So between this interval, these two, and now 0 and 2 pi also, f of 0 पर कितना बनता है, 0 प्लस साइन 0, दिस इज मिनिमम 0, and f of 2 pi, x is 2 pi plus साइन 2 पाई पर 2 2 जा 4 पाई, 4 पाई पर अगेन 0, देन इट इज 2 पाई। तो नाउ मैक्सिमम वैल्यू इज मैक्सिमम 2 पाई, मैक्सिमम इज 2 pi and minimum is 0, so this minimum is 0, this is minimum 0 and maximum is 2 pi, okay। if यहाँ पाई की वैल्यू 22/7 भरते हैं और ये 22 2 जा 24/7 हो गया, और ये आपका बनेगा 22/7 3 जा, ओके, फिर मैक्सिमम 2 पाई होगा, ओके, डन। सो लाइक दिस वी कैन डू। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 13, क्लोज इंटरवल का मीनिंग बोथ extreme point also included to check the maximum and minimum value of the function, and by the second derivative, so which is the minimum, which is the lowest, that will be minimum, okay, and which is the maximum, that will be greatest is maximum. Now 13, find two numbers whose sum is 24. Question number 13, solution. Two number sum, let one number is x, one number equal to x, okay, and whose product is as larger is possible, product, and other equal to y. Let, so sum x plus y is equal to 24. According to question, sum both given. So this implies, take y value from here, 24 minus x. In one variable we have to take this value, we have to use in main function what, whose product is as large is possible, product large, so maximum large, large means maximum, we have to find the maximum value of the product, product means product, maximum product means x into y, this, and put here value of, so product value of y from first, so x into y, 24 minus x, this. Now this is your main function, okay. Now multiply, then 24x and minus x square. This is your main function. Now differentiate. Differentiate means product dp with respect to x, dp upon dx is equal to with respect to x, then 24x का derivative 24 and minus x square derivative 2x say equal to 0, okay, for maxima minima. Then find the value of x, then x is equal to 12. Okay, so double derivative to check the maximum value, d2p upon dx square, differentiate again with respect to x, then 24 derivative 0 and minus 2x minus 2, so this is less than 0, so this implies x is equal to 12 is maxima, this implies x is equal to 12 is point of नेगेटिव है तो मैक्सिमा, पॉइंट ऑफ मैक्सिमा and function value, maximum value, so function value at maximum, ठीक है बेटा, maximum fx, x is 12, this and this is your p, function p, ओके, तो यहाँ पुट किया इसमें कितना 12, तो 24 इंटू 12 24x, x इज 12 माइनस 12 12 जा 144, then this 12 4 जा 48, 4 carry 12 1 जा 12 2 जा 24, 24 and 4 28, minus 144, then this maximum large product, this will be maximum. Now 8 minus 4 4, 8 minus 4 4, 2 minus 1 1, the maximum value is 144. Product is large, this answer. Okay, and find that two number saying, तो नंबर क्या क्या हो गए x and y, तो x is 12 and y also 12, so required numbers क्या बन गए x and y, x 12 and 12, दोनों ही 12 बन गए, ठीक है, सम इज 24, दैट्स वाई आंसर डन. सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 14. Question number 14. 14 is in NCERT book. Question 14. Find two positive numbers x and y such that x plus y 60 and this is maximum. तो similar question. X plus y is equal to 60 and function given function xy is equal to x y cube. हाँ जी, फंक्शन इज दिस इज मैक्सिमम. फाइंड टू पॉजिटिव नंबर्स x एंड y. दिस मैक्सिमम, दिस इज सेइंग दिस इज मैक्सिमम, तो मैक्सिमम दिस मीन्स सॉल्यूशन. डिफरेंशिएट दिस, तो f डैश, but first convert into same variable, fx में convert किया तो x as it is y cube, y value put कर दिया 60 minus x from the first, 60 minus x whole cube. Okay, then differentiate with respect to x, तो f dash x both side with respect to x. Here u into v we can use u. Derivative of x is 1 into as it is this 60 minus x whole cube, v as it is, plus u as it is x, derivative of this, so 3 into 60 minus x 60 minus x power 3 minus 1, 2, and into chain rule derivative of 60 minus x minus 1, this, done. Now simplify and say equal to 0. So this is 60 minus x whole cube, 60 minus x, यहाँ भी है एक फैक्टर और यहाँ भी है एक फैक्टर, तो 60 माइनस एक्स होल स्क्वायर इज कॉमन फैक्टर. ओके बेटा, से दिस 0, first derivative say 0, and this common factor, what left here? 60 minus x left here, whole cube था ये, power 2 common, okay, and here minus plus minus, and this 3x left, because 60 minus x whole square common, then minus 3x here left, done. This is equal to 0, okay. Then this implies each factor equal to 0, so this is x minus x is equal to 60. Okay, one point is this, and second, this minus 4x is equal to 60, yani minus this plus 4x that side is equal to 60, then x is equal to, this implies x is equal to 12. X is equal to, sorry, मार चुका 4 1 जा 4, 20, 4 5 जा 20, 15 4 ja 60. So this is the second point. So these 2 points we have got in first derivative. Now double derivative, again differentiate this, okay. First derivative done. Now second derivative, again this differentiate, we can say, okay. We can do derivative of this 60 minus x whole square, then 2 into 60 minus x, derivative of this, and into minus 1, तो minus 2. ठीक हो गया, derivative into this as it is 60 minus 4x, u into v formula, ठीक है. Now plus this as it is 60 minus x whole square as it is, and derivative of v 60 minus 4x, तो into 60 का 0 minus 4x का minus 4, this, okay beta. Then what is your highest common factor? 60 minus x here, 60 minus x here, okay. So 60 minus x is the common factor, 60 minus x is here, or we can put here value direct, first value 60 we can put. Check here, double derivative at x is equal to first point 60, तो f डबल डैश 60, तो x की वैल्यू 60, 60 माइनस 60 0, 0 इंटू समथिंग 0, 0 इंटू समथिंग 0, एंड हेयर 60, 60 minus 60 0, 0 into something 0, this, and second point double derivative at x is equal to 15. Okay, now this calculate 15 here, 60 minus 15, 35, 45 and 15, 60. तो 45 टू जा 90 माइनस 90 इंटू 0, ये 0 बन गया, प्लस this x is 15, 60 minus 15, 60 minus 15, 45 whole square, 45 whole square into minus 4. Then 0, it is negative, less than 0. So at x is equal to 15, at x is equal to 15, function f has its maximum value, less than 0 है, नेगेटिव है, ओके, हैज इट्स मैक्सिमम वैल्यू, मैक्सिमम वैल्यू, ओके बेटा, तो इट मीन्स फाइंड दैट नंबर, ठीक है, तो x इज 15, thus x is 15 and y is 60 minus 15, y is 60 minus 15 is equal to 45. Answer. So two numbers 15 and 45 such that so that the function xy cube is maximum. Done. Answer. Okay. So like this question, easy to do. Next question 15. Now question number 15 in NCERT book, you see what is 15. 15 is find two positive numbers x and y such that their sum is 35 and the product x square y 5 is maximum. You can do, ठीक है, similar question 15 you can do as 14 we have done. Now 16. Okay, find two positive numbers whose sum is 16 and the sum of whose cubes sum is 15. Let x comma y two numbers x comma y two numbers, okay, such that x plus y, first condition, whose sum is x plus y, question 16. Sum is 16. X plus y is 16 and whose cubes is maximum? Sum of whose cube? So S sum of whose cubes? X cube plus y cube. Sum of whose cubes? Maximum. Maximum sum, ठीक है बेटा, is maximum. This saying के sum of whose cubes is maximum. ये maximum according to question we have to find. Now solution. Differentiate this before derivative, convert into one variable. So s is equal to x cube plus y cube. Y means 16 minus x. 16 minus x from first. यूज फर्स्ट. ओके बेटा, वो गिवन है हमें. यूज फर्स्ट दिस होल क्यूब. y की वैल्यू यहाँ पुट कर दिया. 16 माइनस एक्स. नाउ डिफ्रेंशिएट एस डैश with respect to x. Now this x cube derivative 3x square plus derivative of whole cube this 3 into 16 minus x whole square x power n formula. तो 3 minus 1 2 into chain rule. Derivative of 16 minus x is minus 1. Okay. Now say this 0. First derivative. Say 0. And find value of x. So what is here common factor? You can check here factors. Here 16 minus x into 16 minus x and into 3x square. So we can make simplest form. Then we have to make other factors because here no common factor. Then minus 3 into 16 square. 16 256. 16 जा 256 plus x square whole square and minus 2ab 32x is equal to 0. Simplify. Then minus 3x square एंड प्लस 3x स्क्वायर कैंसिल हो गया. ठीक है. एंड माइनस माइनस प्लस 3 2 जा 6 3 3 जा 9 x and this multiply by 3 and it is negative will go positive that side. 3 6 जा 18 carry 1 3 5 जा 15 1 16 carry 1 3 2 जा 6 1 7. This negative this side then that side positive or this minus minus plus 96x. Then x is equal to divide by 96 to this. Okay. 8 जा 8 6 जा 48 4 carry 8 9 जा 72 4. ठीक. तो x is equal to 8. done. So put this value, double derivative, now double derivative, okay, of the function means s double dash मीन्स इसको डिफ्रेंशिएट किया दोबारा से, ठीक है बेटा। तो क्या बना, 3x² का डेरिवेटिव, 2 3 जा 6, 2 3 जा 6x, this 6x and this derivative 0 and this minus 3x² minus 3x² again minus 3 2 जा 6x, okay, this derivative done, this derivative 0 and this derivative minus minus plus and 396, this is greater than 0, positive, so ये पॉइंट ऑफ मैक्सिमा नहीं है, मिनिमा है, पॉजिटिव है तो मिनिमा है, और हमें क्या फाइंड करना था, मैक्सिमम। तो नो वैल्यू, नो मैक्सिमम वैल्यू। क्वेश्चन 16, फाइंड टू पॉजिटिव नंबर हुज सम इज 16 एंड द सम ऑफ हुज क्यूब्स इज मिनिमम। यस यस, मिनिमम, बिकॉज हेयर मिनिमम आया, तो मिनिमम ही क्वेश्चन में पूछा है, मिनिमम। मिनिमम तो सो पॉजिटिव है तो मिनिमम, सो एट x इज इक्वल टू 8 सम is minimum, ओके। सम कौन सा है, ये s, तो मिनिमम किस पर है, मिनिमम वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है, अब नंबर्स फाइंड करने। सो रिक्वायर्ड नंबर्स, सो रिक्वायर्ड numbers such that 8 दो नंबर हैं और दूसरा भी 8 होगा, 8 दोनों ही 8 हैं, आंसर डन। तो लाइक दिस वी कैन डू, ओके। Like, share and subscribe the channel and send the video to the other maximum contact and guide them. They must watch, like, share and subscribe the channel and send the feedback in the comment box. Thank you.